Yo, have you seen this action figure trend blowing up on Instagram and TikTok? Everyone's turning themselves into AI action figures, and guess what? You can do it too, for free, using ChatGPT. No fancy apps, no Photoshop skills, just your phone and 2 minutes. Let's go. First, grab ChatGPT on iPhone or Android. Just search ChatGPT on the App Store or Play Store, or use the link I've dropped in the description. Once you've downloaded it, sign in using your Google account. Then, open a new chat. Oh, if you're new to this tool, don't sweat. This is the easiest action figure tutorial you'll ever need. Now tap the little plus icon at the bottom, and tap the photo icon and upload your pic. Pro tip, use a clear shot so ChatGPT can nail the details. Now here comes the magic, the action figure prompt for ChatGPT. I've put the full prompt in the description. This is the exact text you need to paste. It tells ChatGPT to generate a realistic toy-style action figure design of your uploaded photo, complete with a box, packaging, accessories, and everything. You can edit the prompt to include stuff like MacBook Pro, YouTube silver play button, tripod, Sony camera, or whatever makes your action figure you. This is how you create your own custom action figure with ChatGPT. Don't forget to scroll down in the prompt and customize your name or brand text. I used TechRush, but you can put your Instagram handle, gamer tag, or TikTok name. This is what shows up on your action figure packaging. This ChatGPT action figure prompt works for any style. Pixar, hyper-realistic, even vintage toy vibes. Once you hit send, ChatGPT will generate your design. And boom, you've just created your own action figure using AI. Look at this. It looks like a real product with all the accessories I added and name printed perfectly on the box. Seriously, this is how people are making those viral action figure photos on TikTok and Instagram. If the result isn't 100% right, no worries. Just tap on select, highlight the part you want to change, and type what you want to fix. It's super easy. ChatGPT will re-render only that part, like your name or outfit. So yeah, that's how you do the action figure trend using ChatGPT. Love it? Save it. Post it with hashtag #ActionFigureTrend and tag me. I'll reshare the best ones. Want to turn this into a video? I'll drop a tutorial on action figure video editing next week. You just made an AI action figure in minutes. If this helped, smash like. It helps others find this tutorial. And subscribe for more viral AI trends.